You'll be immediately confused if you don't know the difference between demonstrative pronoun and demonstrative adjective. Therefore, we discuss below the difference between the two. Demonstrative pronoun and demonstrative adjective. The demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjectives are different in the sense that the demonstrative pronouns are used in place of nouns to refer to them, whereas the demonstrative adjectives are used before nouns to describe or modify them. Examples of demonstrative pronouns. A. This is my pen. B. That is your book. C. These are my friends. D. Those are your friends. Examples of demonstrative adjectives. A. This pen is mine. B. That book is yours. C. These friends are mine. D. Those friends are yours.